Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk. It's December 9, 2022, and I have with me one of my patients who traveled from out of state, Texas to be exact.
Yes, sir.
And he is suffering with neck pain, and I'll let him tell you a little bit more about his symptoms, but he had herniated discs in his neck along with degenerated disc. We just repaired those yesterday, less than about 12 hours ago.
Yes, sir. Yes, Doc. Yeah.
You're here now on post-op day 1. It was outpatient, no hospitalization. You stayed at the hotel. You're back this morning, and how do you feel?
I feel great, Doc. You know, I just want to thank you right off the bat for you and your team for basically giving me another lease on life. I mean, the back of my neck, the tops of my shoulders. I had pain all the way down the back of my arm, and my elbow, and then also I had no grip. And today, it's all back. I just, you know, it's just a game changer, his procedures, because I've had fusions in the past, like 15 years ago, and those fusions, you don't want to do those because they just give you adjacent disc disease, and I have that problem right now on my back, and Dr. Deuk is going to fix it next week, so I'm very looking forward to doing that.
We'll be seeing him again next week after his back is fixed, but you broke it up into 2 procedures, and we get people all the time asking us, oh, can I come there and get my neck and my back fixed? Yes, you can. We'll probably do it on separate days. So you got 3 discs repaired yesterday. You can
Yes,
actually see right here in this video footage how small the incision is, tiny. And I was in there endoscopically using a laser to clean out the tear and remove the small herniations. And now here, we sent you home an hour after your surgery, and here you are back today. And how much of that pain did we get rid of?
All of it, Doc.
100%.
I mean, 100%. And I mean, the doctor did. They did surgery on 3 different levels, and through a really small hole.
4 millimeters.
Yes,
4 millimeters. Incredible.
There's no stitches. It's just a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
You know, that's crazy. You know, if you have a fusion for three level fusion, I don't know how long that would be, but it's
it's about that long for a 3-level fusion. And then of course you'll have swallowing trouble for months, and then you'll have pain, and you'll be on narcotics. Are you on any opioids or narcotics?
No, Doc. Last night I went home and to the hotel, and I just took a Tylenol PM, and that's all the medication I've taken since the surgery.
Yeah. So with the Deuk laser disc repair, you don't have to worry about getting addicted to painkillers because there are no painkillers. Literally a Tylenol, and that's it, because it's so minimally invasive. Far better than ACDF, far better than any other cervical type of surgery. Well, is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there before we wrap this up?
Yeah, I just want to let my parents know, and my 10 younger brothers and sisters, if they're watching this, if you have back issues, you need to come see Dr. Deuk, because he is one of the only people in the world that can do this procedure, and it is a game changer, and it's well worth it. At least give him a review. He'll do a free MRI review for you. I mean, it's just do your research. Go to his deukspine.com, look at his website, and just do your research and give yourself a chance to do the right thing.
Well, thank you. And yes, now I'm the only one, but someday there will be another one who will be doing these surgeries, and probably better than me.
Okay, thanks, Doc. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. We'll see you soon.
Yeah.